Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan here, taking a look at JetBlue on the daily and 15-minute time frame. This is the daily chart where each candlestick represents one trading day worth of action. You can see new 52-week highs being set here. After the initial 52-week high back here, the RSI was pretty overbought above 70. This pullback here to the middle Bollinger Band found support and bounced. That allowed for the technicals to cool off, as some people say, meaning the RSI came back down and was no longer overbought. The MACD had a bearish cross and is now leveling off, potentially looking for a bullish cross if this black line crosses the red line, which could happen this week or later next week potentially. And we have the upper Bollinger Band resistance here, which is the level that has just been riding up this whole uptrend. That level is 1591 currently. You can see the bears knocked it down to just above this 10-day moving average support yesterday, and then the bulls stepped in and closed it up near the higher day, and then the bulls continued that trend today. So it's definitely looking strong. The support level, the 10-day moving average, is 1538. The middle Bollinger Band is 1523 below it. One thing you want to keep your eye on is the volume is not very high comparatively to what it has been in the past. It's been pretty consistent, but you would like to see some increased volume with these 52-week highs being set. So that's one thing to keep your eye on. Looking at the 15-minute chart, as I have a shorter time frame that I'm trying to watch this one on, so then I zoom into the 15-minute chart. If I were looking for a longer term trend, I'd be looking at the weekly chart right now. But this is the 15-minute chart where each candlestick represents 15 minutes worth of trading action. You can see the past 2 days has a nice pattern of higher highs and higher lows being set. One thing that I am looking at is the 50 period moving average. You can see it has been a good support on this ride up. Didn't even hit it on this pullback. At the end of the day today, we did have some selling that prevented this MACD from making a bullish cross, and so that's something you want to keep your eye on to see if that can happen tomorrow, or if this little pullback is going to keep coming down. You can see that it was not able to form another high over this high, so that is potential for a pullback. The bulls want to see 1578 hold as a low. That was the low on this pullback, and in order to keep the trend of higher lows being set, we don't want to see a low form beneath that level. So those are the levels I'm looking at on the 15-minute chart. We'll see if JetBlue can keep setting 52-week highs, or if there's going to be some consolidation and a pullback. I thank you guys for watching. If you want to subscribe to my channel and leave any comments, questions, or constructive criticism, I'd also be happy to take any requests on videos you'd like me to do. And I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you for watching.